Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be talking about the Chagos Island dispute and why the Mauritius wants the Chagos Islands from the United Kingdom, and where does India stand, on whose side is India, and what is India's role in it. So let us first of all see the points of discussion. First we'll be looking at the news, then about the Chagos Island and its location, what is the dispute regarding the Chagos Island, why the matter went to the Permanent Court of Arbitration, and in the end prelims practice question. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 1, that is geography. Then map section also it is important because of the location of map of the Chagos Island, because we see that from the map scenario or from the map perspective these kind of locations can be asked. Before we move forward, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. The news talks about India backs Mauritius claim to Chagos Island. What is the dispute with UK? Okay, now let us see the dispute is regarding the Chagos Island, and these group of island are situated in Indian Ocean, in the middle of Indian Ocean. I'll show you the map also. And in this dispute there are two parties involved, one is Mauritius and one is UK. So the dispute is between the United Kingdom and the Mauritius. And then if we talk about India, then India is backing or is supporting Mauritius. So this is what the news is. Now the External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar was on a 2-day visit to the Mauritius, and there he talked about the topic of the Chagos Island dispute, and there he said that India is backing the Mauritius with regard to the Chagos Island dispute. So on the issue of Chagos, India will continue its consistent support to Mauritius, and this dispute is with regard to the sovereignty dispute with the United Kingdom over the Chagos archipelago in the Indian Ocean. So the Mauritius says, or Mauritius talks about that Chagos Island belongs to Mauritius, but on the other hand UK says that the Chagos Island belongs to them. So this is the dispute. Now first of all look at the map. This is the map of Indian Ocean. This is India, this is the Indian mainland, and this is the Chagos archipelago. The Chagos Islands or the Chagos archipelago lies in the middle, around the middle portion of the Indian Ocean, and it is southward to the mainland India and also southward to the Maldives. And there is this very famous island that is known as the Diego Garcia. And Diego Garcia is famous because the US has used this island of Diego Garcia during its attack on Iraq or also on Afghanistan, and this is the place where the US defense base is situated. Now about the Chagos Island. So the Chagos Island comprises around 58 small, very low-lying island. Low-lying island means that the altitude of the island from the ocean is not very high. Then they are strategically located. They are 1600 kilometers south of the southern tip of India, and that is very clearly visible. This is Indian mainland, and Chagos archipelago is lying to the south of it. Then they are currently controlled by the United Kingdom as the British Indian Ocean Territory. So whatever islands British owns or the United Kingdom owns in the Indian Ocean, they term it as British Indian Ocean Territory. So United Kingdom as of now says that Chagos archipelago or the Chagos Island is controlled by the UK under the name of British Indian Ocean Territory. And the Chagos Islands is spread across 250,000 square miles. Then if we talk about the history of the Chagos Island, so the Chagos Island was first ruled by the Portuguese during the 16th century. So first by the Portuguese during the 16th century, and after the Portuguese, next that came to the Chagos Island was the Dutch, but the Dutch did not settle there. Then after the Dutch, it came under the possession of the France. Then it came under the possession of the France as well as Mauritius. Then after the defeat of the Napoleon, defeat of the Napoleon of France, Great Britain acquired the Chagos Island and the Mauritius. So it first was under the possession of France, but when the Napoleon lost, it came under the control of UK, that is United Kingdom, and Mauritius also came under the control of UK. Then it also serves as a military base. So the Chagos Island also serves as a military base to the US, and it houses around 2,500 American military personnel. So Diego Garcia is the location where the US military base is situated, and it is one of the most habitable places of the Chagos Island. So this was about the Chagos Islands. Now about the dispute. What is the dispute between Mauritius and UK with regard to the Chagos Island? So the Chagos Island has been a part of Mauritius since at least the 18th century. So since the time of 18th century, Chagos Island has been a part of Mauritius, till the United Kingdom broke the archipelago away from Mauritius in 1965. So they took the Chagos archipelago from Mauritius and broke it down into different parts during the time of 1965, and the islands of Eldebra, Farquhar and Desroxis from Seychelles in the region to form the British Indian Ocean territory. So it took islands from other places also like the Seychelles, and it also broke down the Chagos archipelago from the Mauritius to form the British Indian Ocean territory. Then during the time of 1976, when Seychelles gained independence from the United Kingdom, so the islands were returned back to the Seychelles by the United Kingdom. So first Seychelles got independence from the UK and it took back the islands. Then Mauritius gained independence in the year 1968, but at that point of time the United Kingdom refused to return the Chagos Island to the Mauritius. So Seychelles gained independence, but Seychelles got the islands back. But when Mauritius got independence, the Chagos Island were not returned by the UK to the Mauritius. Then the Iceland was required too. And what the UK at that point of time said, that the reason for not returning the Chagos Island to the Mauritius was that the Chagos Island was required to accommodate the US desire to use certain island in the Indian Ocean for defense purposes. This is what the UK said, that US wants certain locations in the Indian Ocean for defense purposes, and that is why it was not returned to the Mauritius. And the largest island on the Chagos Island archipelago, that is the Diego Garcia, is where the US operate a large military base. Now this is what the dispute is about, that Seychelles got the island back, but when Mauritius asked for the island, the Mauritius did not get a positive response from the United Kingdom. Now about the Permanent Court of Arbitration. So the matter was taken to the Permanent Court of Arbitration and also to the International Court of Justice by the Mauritius. Now what happened in the Permanent Court of Arbitration was that in the year 2015, the dispute between Mauritius and the United Kingdom that had been continued for decades. So the Mauritius initiated legal proceedings in the Permanent Court of Arbitration. So in the year 2015, Mauritius went to the Permanent Court of Arbitration and started a legal proceedings. Then what was said was that London had failed to give due regard to Mauritius. London, that is UK, it failed to give due regard to Mauritius' rights and declared that the UK had breached its obligations under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. So this is what the Permanent Court of Arbitration has said, that the UK has failed to give due regard to the Mauritius rights. And then in the year 2019, this Chagos Island dispute matter reached to the International Court of Justice, and the ICJ ordered the UK to return the Chagos Island to Mauritius as rapidly as possible. But these two views or these two decisions of the Permanent Court of Arbitration and the International Court of Justice was not followed by the United Kingdom, and they have not returned the Chagos Island to the Mauritius. And now when the External Affairs Minister of India, that is S. Jaishankar, is on a 2-day visit to Mauritius, he has said that India supports Mauritius' claim of the Chagos Islands. So this was about the Chagos Island dispute. So what are Chagos Island? What is the dispute? What has been the history? What becomes important for you to know is the location of Chagos Island. Chagos Island belong to Chagos Island geography. Then what is the dispute? What are the countries involved in it? And also about the Permanent Court of Arbitration and about the decision of the ICJ. So that was all, and in the end a prelims MCQ for you people, and you need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question talks about the Chagos Islands is situated in Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean or Mediterranean Sea. So very easy. We have discussed this in the video. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.